Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by gathering ingredients and tools to make the only way coffee milkshake. Use 2 cups vanilla ice cream, 1 cup cold milk, and 1 shot, 5 Oz espresso. If you lack espresso, dissolve 1 tablespoon instant coffee in 2 tablespoon hot water and cool. Add 1 tablespoon sugar or 15G if you prefer sweeter, or 1 tablespoon cocoa for mocha. For thicker shake, add 1/2 cup extra ice cream or 50 grams crushed ice. Keep a blender, measuring cup, and chilled glasses ready. Place all chilled ingredients into a blender for the only way coffee milkshake. Blend on high for 30 seconds to 45 seconds until smooth and frothy, stopping to scrape sides once. Taste and adjust sweetness. Stir in 1 tsp vanilla extract for depth or 1/2 tsp salt to enhance flavor. Add 1 tablespoon sugar or 15G more if needed. If you want a colder, less creamy texture, add 2 to 3 ice cubes and pulse briefly. Do not overblend or the foam will dissipate. Pour the finished only way coffee milkshake into a chilled 16 Oz glass for a standard serving size. Serve in a chilled 16 Oz glass with whipped cream and a sprinkle of cocoa or 3 espresso beans for garnish. Add a straw and a teaspoon. To make vegan, use 1 cup almond milk and 2 cups dairy-free ice cream, keeping the same espresso or instant coffee ratio. Store leftovers up to 24 hours in refrigerator in an airtight container, and reblend briefly before serving to restore texture.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.